this screencast, we're going to go over the basic functions, where to find the pins, how to import images, and how to use the camera live, all within the iPevo Whiteboard app.
In this quick video, we're going to go over the iPevo Whiteboard app, which you can find in the App Store on your iPad. So you see I have it down here in the dock, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And this is probably the most simple whiteboard app that you can use. It gives you two different pencils, in which you see if you hit the down arrow, you can pick your colors or your transparency, and you have an eraser, so you can erase it. You can have multiple boards. If I click down here on the plus button, I can get a plain white background. And you can also add pictures. So if you have pictures stored on your device, you can pick any of those from your library or your iPad. Or if you hit the second button on the top left, it's going to open the camera. And you can see I have a piece of paper down here. And if this was a worksheet, all I have to do is hit the green camera button. And it asks me, do you want to add this to the new board? And I'm going to say yes. And now I can start writing on that or picking things out. You can also record video on this, and I believe you can have up to 20 boards. There's some basic text, as well as a trash can, and a hand to move things as you use them. So once again, this is the iPevo Whiteboard app. The logo is blue. And it is made to be connected to an iPevo camera, but you do not need the camera to use the app, as you can see. So if you want a very basic whiteboard app to use on your iPad while you're teaching through Zoom, this is going to be by far the most simple version that you use.